Horses are magnificent animals that have been a part of human history for thousands of years. They are known for their strength, beauty, and ability to work alongside humans. Horses are mammals, which means they give birth to live young ones and feed them with milk. They typically have a strong body with 4 long legs, a mane of hair along their neck, and a tail. Horses come in many colors, including brown, black, white, and spotted patterns. One of the most popular horse breeds is the Arabian horse, known for its endurance and intelligence. Another famous breed is the thoroughbred, which is commonly used for horse racing. Horses are also used in farming, transportation, and recreational activities like horseback riding and equestrian sports. Caring for a horse involves providing food, water, shelter, and regular exercise. Horses eat hay, grass, grains, and sometimes fruits and vegetables. They need clean water to drink and a comfortable place to rest, like a stable or pasture. Riding a horse requires special equipment such as a saddle, bridle, and reins. It's important to learn how to communicate with a horse using gentle commands and cues. Building a bond of trust and respect with a horse is key to enjoying a positive and safe riding experience. Overall, horses are fascinating creatures that have played an important role in human civilization. Their beauty, strength, and versatility make them beloved animals around the world.